Hello friends, welcome to your channel Make Physics Easier by Mayur Agrawal. Today we are going to discuss the next exercise of chapter Identities for class 8 from the book Concise Mathematics. Exercise 12C. In exercise 12A and in exercise 12B, we have learned some of the identities, and in both of the exercises we have also learned the application of those identities. In this exercise 12C, along with those all the identities which we have already learned, we have to use those identities, and along with the identities we have to apply some logics, because right now we have not direct questions. We have questions in which the application of identities can be used. So without any delay, let's start today's video. In today's video, as I told you, we have not to learn, we have not to understand any new identity. We have to work out from the very beginning all the identities which we have learned before. We have to proceed like that. Now, in this exercise, what type of questions we are getting? So the question number 1, it is saying that if a plus b is equal to 5 and AB is equal to 6, we have to find A square plus B square. Now, along with the identity, we have to apply logic also. We know very well, we are observing that in the term which we have to find, square is there. So, we have an equation A plus B is equal to 5. We want to achieve A square and B square from this. So for that purpose, we have to make square both sides. So that is why we have to make squaring both sides. Always remember that if A plus B is written and directly you are going to write A square plus B square, that is totally wrong. This step we cannot do. We have to square of the term whole only. Then only it is, according to mathematics, it is a correct step. Now, a plus b whole square, the identity is a square plus b square plus 2ab is equal to square of 5 is 25. Now the value of ab is 6. So a square plus b square plus 2 into 6 is equal to 25. Now a square plus b square plus 12 is equal to 25. Finally, a square plus b square will become 25 minus 12, and overall a square plus b square will become 13. So that is the final answer which we have to find. So why we are squaring both sides? Because the term which we have to find, that is related to squares. If there will be cube, then we do cubing both sides. But always remember that the steps which you have to do, that will be applied in whole of the term a plus b. You cannot write it a plus b as a square plus b square directly. Some of the students do like this. A plus b is equal to 5. If I say squaring both sides, then they write a square plus b square is equal to 25. So that is totally wrong. We cannot follow this step, because if we want to make squares, then we have to make the whole square. Then only we are, according to the equations rule, we are correct. If we are doing this according to mathematics rules, this is wrong. So this is the way how can we solve these questions. In these questions, we should know the identity as well the logic, that which identity can we use to gain the value. So this is the question number 1. Now we are coming to the next question of exercise 12C. Identities I have given you in the previous videos. If you have not any information, any prior information or knowledge about the identities, then you can go through the exercise 12A and 12B videos. Now the question number 2, that is also the same, but I am doing for you. If a minus b is equal to 6 and AB is equal to 16, then find a square plus b square. There is no difference between the question number 1 and 2. The only difference is in that question a plus b is given and in this question a minus b is given. So you are thinking that how it is possible that the steps are same, because you should know very well that if you are making the whole square of a plus b, then the result is a square plus b square plus 2ab, and if you are making the whole square of a minus b, then the result is a square plus b square minus 2ab. So in both of the identities, a square and b square are positive. So we don't need to change the identity, change the steps. Either a plus b is given or a minus b is given. If we have to find this, then we have to continue the same method. The information is a minus b is equal to 6. Again, we have to do whole square both sides. So in the left hand side, identity a square plus b square minus 2ab is equal to 6 square is 36. The value of ab is 16. So 2 into 16 is equal to 36. So a square plus b square 16 to the 32 is equal to 36, because 32 is negative on the left hand side. So when we pass it on the other side, it will become positive. So overall, the value of a square plus b square will become 68. So this is the method how can we solve such type of questions. So you have to be very careful. You have to think about all the identities. If all the identities are already in your mind, then you will not face any problem to solve these questions. So it is very compulsory to learn all the identities, because these questions are little challenging. In this, you have not to direct apply identity. You have to understand it first, then you have to apply. Now, proceeding forward, we are coming to question number 3. Question number 3 is saying if a square plus b square is equal to 29 and ab is equal to 10, we have to find, now we have two terms. The first term is a plus b and the second term is a minus b. These two terms we have to find. So again, we are observing that we have the values of a square plus b square and ab. We have to find a plus b. So for the first part, we have to apply the formula of a plus b whole square, that is a square plus b square plus 2ab. Why are we applying the whole square? Because we know that if we are doing the whole square, then this term and this term both will come. Now the value of a square plus b square is 29 and the value of ab is 10. So it will become 29 plus 20. That will become 14. But that is not our final answer. We have to find a plus b. And this is the value of a plus b to the whole square. We have to find a plus b. So we can write it as a plus b whole square is equal to 49 can be written as plus minus 7 whole square. Why? Because plus 7 into plus 7 is equal to plus 49 and minus 7 into minus 7 also plus 49. That is why we are writing this method. So a plus b value will come plus minus 7. Both answers are correct. Plus 7 also and minus 7 also. So this is the first part, and for the second part we have to apply the identity of a minus b whole square, that is a square plus b square minus 2ab. Again the values are same, 29 minus 2 into 10. So it will become 29 minus 20. The value is 9, but 9 is the value of a minus b to the whole square. We have to find a minus b. So we can write it like this. 9 can be written as plus minus 3 to the whole square. Because of this principle, positive 3 square will give you the positive 9 and negative 3 square will give you the 9. So the value of a minus b will become plus minus 3. Positive 3 as well as negative 3. So this is the question number 3. So you have to be very careful while solving. If you are not writing plus minus, then according to the mathematical concepts you are wrong. So if you are making plus minus sign, then you are very correct. Nothing can be deducted. No marks can be deducted. But if you are not using plus minus, then the examiner can deduct some of the marks. It will not deducted all the marks, but some of the marks can be deducted. So this is the question number 3. The question number 4 is very same as the question number 3. So I hope so you will try it with yourself. If you will face any problem, then you can contact. In the 5th question, now the terms are given a little changed. In question number 5, if a plus 1 upon a is equal to 3, only one value we have, and we have to find a square plus 1 upon a square. Now you are observing that we have only one value, because if you are imagining the identity of a plus 1 upon a whole square, what will be the result? A square plus 1 upon a square plus 2. So we require only one help, and this we have to find, and the value of this is given. So because there are not any other quantities, that is why only one value is sufficient for us. So it is written a plus a is equal to 3, squaring both sides. So a plus 1 upon a whole square is equal to 3 square. It will become a square plus 1 upon a square plus 2 is equal to 9. Now the value of a square plus 1 upon a square will become 9 minus 2. So overall we can write it as a square plus 1 upon a square is 7. Only this value, because we know that in this expansion ab term is not there, because a into 1 upon a can be cancelled out. That is why we know very well that ab term is not there. So one value is sufficient to solve this question. So this is the method to solve question number 5. Question number 6 is very similar to question number 5. So you can solve question number 6 with yourself. Now we are coming to question number 7. That is also the same, but I am telling you one of the question. So question number 7 is saying, if a square plus 1 upon a square is equal to 23, we have to find a plus 1 upon a. Now a plus 1 upon a to the whole square, what will be the identity? The result is a square plus 1 upon a square plus 2. Now the value of this term is given 23. So 23 plus 2, the result is 25. But the result 25 is of a plus 1 upon a whole square. And 25 can be written as positive negative 5 to the whole square. That is why the value of a plus 1 upon a is positive negative 5. So this is the method to solve question number 7. Question number 8 is very same. So we have completed up to question number 8. Now we are coming to question number 9, in which we have to change the identity now. Now the terms are given. If a plus b plus c is equal to 10 and a square plus b square plus c square is equal to 38, we have to find ab plus bc plus ca. Again, if you are observing the question, very soon you will find that which identity can be applied here. We have to apply this identity. A plus b plus c to the whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2 ab plus bc plus ca. Now this term value is given 10. So here we can apply 10 square. The value of these three terms is given 38. So 38 plus 2. These three terms will remain same. Now you can see that you have only this bracket and other are the numericals values. So you can solve it. 100 is equal to 38 plus 2 AB plus BC plus CA. First of all, you will transfer 38 on the left hand side, so it will be subtracted. 2AB plus BC plus CA. 100 minus 38, the result will become 62 is equal to 2AB plus BC plus CA. Now 2 is multiplying here. So when you will transfer 2, it will become in divide. AB plus BC plus CA. So the result will be 31. That is the final answer of question number 9. So again the procedure is same, but the identity has been changed now, because a plus b plus c is given and a square plus b square plus c square is given. So it means we have to apply the identity of a plus b plus c to the whole square. So this is the question number 9. And question number 10 and 11 are similar to this. So I am not explaining right now in the video. If you will face problem, then you can ask. But now I am coming to the question number 12. Now the identities of cubes are coming. If a plus b is equal to 6 and ab is equal to 8, find a cube plus b cube. Again, very similar thing. Now because we have to find a cube plus b cube, so the information which we have to make cubing both sides. Now when we are making cubes both sides, then we have to apply whole cube. In the left hand side, you will apply the formula a cube plus b cube plus 3ab, a plus b, and 6 cube will become 216. The value of a cube plus b cube we have to find 3ab. So 3 into ab value is 8 and a plus b value is 6 is equal to 216. So a cube plus b cube plus 8 6 are 48. 3 into 48. 144 is equal to 216. So a cube plus b cube is equal to 216 minus 144. So overall the answer of a cube plus b cube will become 2 and 7. So 72 is the final answer. So as in the whenever there is a square term, then we have to squaring both sides. If the cubing has been asked, then we have to make cube both sides. But either you are doing square or you are doing cube, you have to apply whole cube. So when you are applying whole square or whole cube, then you have to apply the identity. The question number 12 it is. Now question number 13 is similar to question number 12. So we are proceeding. Now we are coming to question number 14. In question number 14, the value is given. Find a cube plus 1 upon a cube if a plus 1 upon a is equal to 5. Again the same question. The information is a plus 1 upon a is equal to 5. So just make cubing both sides. So a plus a whole cube is equal to 5 cube. Now very carefully. A plus b whole cube, that is saying a cube plus b cube plus 3ab and after that a plus b. So we have to apply the identity of a plus b whole cube. But in the place of a, we have to write a only, and in the place of b, we have to write 1 upon a. So it will become a cube, it will become 1 upon a cube. From this side, a can be cancelled. 3 multiplied. The value of a plus 1 upon a is 5 is equal to 125. Now solve it. So a cube plus 1 upon a cube plus 15 is equal to 125. Now you can transfer 15 on the other side. So a cube plus 1 upon a cube is equal to 125 minus 15. So overall answer will be 110. So this is the method to solve such type of questions. In question number 15, again you have to follow the same method. So 14 and 15 are similar. So now I am coming to the next question. Question number 16. In question number 16, the value is given if 2x minus 1 upon 2x is equal to 4. So we have to find two parts. The first part is 4x square plus 1 upon 4x square, and the second part is 8x cube minus 1 upon 8x cube. So very easy question it is also. We are observing that the information which we have in that 2x is written. In first part 4x square and in second part 8x cube is written. So it is very clear. For finding the first part, we have to make the square of this information, and to find the second part, we have to make cube. So observe it very carefully. For part 1, 2x minus 1 upon 2x is equal to 4. You have to just make the whole square is equal to 4 square. So in this, a square plus b square and minus 2ab. The formula of a minus b whole square you have applied. So here 2x will be cancelled. It will become 4x square. 1 upon 4x square minus 2 is equal to 16. So when you will change the place of minus 2, it will become positive 16 plus 2. So overall, the value of 4x square plus 1 upon 4x square will become 18. So that is the part 1. Now, For the solution of part 2, the same information which we have to take, but right now we have to apply whole cube. So in the left hand side you have to apply a minus b whole cube. So that is a cube minus b cube minus 3ab and in brackets a minus b, and the 4 cube value will become 64. So it will become 8x cube 1 upon 8x cube. From this side these two terms will be cancelled. 3 into the value of this is 4 is equal to 64. So 8x cube minus 1 upon 8x cube minus 12 is equal to 64. So 8x cube minus 1 upon 8x cube is equal to 64 plus 12. The final answer will be 76. So the question is very similar to the previous one. Only the relation we have to find is when we have to do the square and when we have to do the cube. And when we are doing square or either we are doing the cube, we have to apply the whole cube or whole square formula. So the question number 17 is also the same. So I am not going to solve question number 17 now. Question number 18 is a word type problem, but that is very easy. We have to consider the terms first. The sum of squares of two numbers is 13. So first of all you have considered the number are x and y. So according to the first condition, x square plus y square is equal to 13. Their product is 6. xy is equal to 6. We have to find sum of two numbers, means x plus y, and second thing is the difference between them, x minus y. Again the question is very same. So for the solution of first part, we have to apply x plus y whole square, that is x square plus y square plus 2xy. The value of x square plus y square is 13. 2 into 6, so 13, and plus 12, the value is 25. But that is the answer of x plus y whole square. So 25 can be written as positive negative 5 whole square. That is why the value of x plus y is coming positive negative 5. For the second part solution, we have to apply the identity of x minus y whole square, x square plus y square minus 2xy. So the value of this is 13 minus 2 into 6. So 13 minus 12, the value is coming 1. This is the value of x minus y whole square. So x minus y whole square can be written as positive negative 1 square. That is why the value of x minus y is positive negative 1. So this is the method how can we solve question number 18. So word problems are not very problematic in these type of questions. You have to just imagine the numbers, form the equation and then result. So this is the solution of exercise 12D. Now in the exercise 12D, you will get the all the questions related to exercise 12A, B and C. So new concept is not there in exercise 12D, but definitely I will come with exercise 12D in the next video. But I will help in you some of the questions. Remaining questions you have to solve. So I hope so with the help of these videos which I am providing you, you are getting benefited and you are solving in your homes yourself also. So try to solve all the questions with yourself also, because until you will not solve with yourself, you will not get anything. So try to solve and make mathematics easier. That is the tagline of my channel, and thank you for watching.